Today I'm going to make banana muffin. It's a very easy recipe. There are the ingredients we need. 160 gram low gluten flour, 60 gram sucrose, 3 gram baking powder, 70 gram butter, 3 spoons of yogurt, 1 egg, 2 bananas, 50 gram cream cheese and 10 gram sugar. Blend 1 of banana into paste. Slice 1 of banana into small pieces. It will be topped on the muffin later. Mix the sucrose and butter well until the sucrose melted in butter totally. Blend the egg. Put it into bowl via strainer. Mix them well. Put in half of flour via strainer. Add yogurt, baking powder, and banana paste. Fold them until it turns smooth. Fold the rest of the flour. Mix them well until it turns smooth. Put a spoon of batter on the bottom of muffin mold. Mix cream cheese and sugar well. Add a spoon of cream cheese paste. Then add a spoon of batter. Topping with banana. Bake the muffins in the preheated oven for 20 minutes. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave your comment.